Tired of those tiny daily annoyances you keep brushing off? These clever Amazon finds are designed to solve the little problems that quietly drive you crazy. From quick fixes to smart shortcuts, they make everyday life smoother without any extra effort. All products are linked in the description below. Turn any regular switch into a smart one with this Bluetooth button pusher. Stick it next to a rocker or one-way switch and control it from your phone or set timers in the app. Pair it with a hub and Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to automate lights, fans, or appliances, even when you're away. Battery lasts for nearly 2 years, and installation takes seconds with included adhesive. Small, clever, and convenient. It makes your home smarter without rewiring anything. Keep curious little hands and pets out of your fridge with this child-proof lock. It sticks on with strong adhesive, no drilling needed, and keeps doors tightly closed to protect food, medicine, and sharp items. Dual modes let adults unlock easily while toddlers stay out, and it grows with your child from single to double lock. Fits most fridges and freezers, from standard to mini, without damaging surfaces. Easy to install and hassle-free. It's peace of mind in a small gadget. Protect little explorers from electrical outlets with this clear, baby-proof cover box. It fits standard outlets perfectly, keeping plugs and cords out of curious hands. The sturdy, transparent lid lets you access outlets easily while providing full protection. Installation is simple and secure with included screws, so it stays firmly in place. Safe, convenient, and reliable. It's a must-have for any family looking to child-proof their home. Turn walking into cleaning with these microfiber mop slippers. Just slip them on and glide across floors to pick up dust, hair, and dirt. No bending or kneeling required. Made from ultra-soft, absorbent microfiber, they're gentle on all surfaces and reusable after washing. 5 colorful pairs fit most adults and kids with an elastic design that stays on your feet. Perfect for floors, windows, or even attaching to a mop head. Cleaning has never been this fun or easy. Tired of fighting over outlets? This flexible power strip bends and twists so any plug fits without blocking the others. It has 3 AC outlets plus 2 USB ports, letting you charge multiple devices at once. The 5-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, while built-in surge protection keeps everything safe. Compact and portable, it's perfect for desks, small spaces, or even travel. Stay powered up and organized without the clutter. Tired of struggling with cling wrap or foil? These silicone stretch lids stretch to fit bowls, containers, and even oddly shaped fruits for a tight, leak-proof seal. They keep food fresh, block fridge odors, and are endlessly reusable, saving you plastic waste. Bonus, they double as jar openers or anti-slip coasters. With 6 versatile sizes, you can cover everything from small jars to large salad bowls, all while keeping your kitchen neat and eco-friendly. Make your sink way more flexible with this swivel faucet extender. It rotates 360 degrees and has a foldable arm, letting you wash hands, hair, or even rinse fruits and vegetables with ease. Switch between a gentle bubble stream and a powerful shower spray with a simple twist. Made from solid brass and ABS, it's durable, anti-rust, and keeps water clean with its built-in filter. Easy to install on most faucets, it saves space while turning everyday chores into a breeze. No more burned fingers when handling hot dishes. These silicone-tipped gripper clips lift plates, bowls, and pans safely from ovens, air fryers, or microwaves. The heat-resistant handles keep you protected up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, while the reinforced stainless steel jaws hold dishes securely. Perfect for plates and bowls 8 to 11 inches wide, they support up to 8 pounds without slipping. Compact and ergonomic, they're easy to store and make handling hot meals stress-free. Tight bathroom space? No problem. This slim 4-tier cabinet slides into narrow gaps, keeping essentials organized without crowding your room. 4 drawers, a top compartment, and a dual-side tissue holder make everything easy to find. Made from moisture-resistant plastic, it handles humid bathrooms and laundry rooms with no problem. Wheels make it easy to move, and the neutral design fits any style, from modern to minimalist, instantly tidying your space. Keep your toothbrushes sparkling clean without lifting a finger. This wall-mounted holder uses dual UV light to zap 99.99% of bacteria, and it keeps disinfecting every few hours automatically. With 6 slots, 3 cups, and a built-in toothpaste dispenser, it's perfect for the whole family. The smart lights show charging and operation status, making it easy to use. Sleek and wall-mounted, it doubles as stylish bathroom decor while keeping hygiene effortless. Stop wasting every last bit of your favorite creams and makeup. This mini spatula set includes 2 silicone tools, one small, one slightly larger, so you can reach every jar and bottle. Each spatula has a double-ended design with a spoon and a scraper, making it easy to scoop out products cleanly. Made with sturdy, food-grade silicone and a supportive metal core, they're durable and easy to wash. Perfect for cosmetics, lotions, or even small jars of medicine, these spatulas help you get every drop without dirt or waste. Cleaning the toilet just got a serious upgrade. This all-in-one system comes with a long-handled wand and preloaded scrubbing pads, so you never touch a germy brush again. The pads are packed with cleaner that tackles hard water, lime stains, and 99.9% of germs in seconds. A convenient caddy keeps extra pads within reach, making swaps fast and easy. With scented disposable pads, your bathroom stays fresh, while cleaning becomes simple and mess-free. Cleaning your bed has never been this effortless. This robot vacuum does all the work for you. Just press start and it maps your space, avoiding edges and furniture. Powerful suction and 4 UVC lamps tackle deep dust, allergens, and pet hair, keeping your bed hygienic. The HEPA filtration traps 99.9% of particles, so the air stays clean too. Cordless, rechargeable, and simple to use. It even talks to let you know battery life and cleaning mode. Say goodbye to bulky ironing boards taking over your space. This folding tabletop board collapses in half, making it ultra-compact and perfect for small homes. It even has a built-in slot for your iron, so everything stays organized and within reach. A handy hook lets you hang it on walls or doors, keeping your space clutter-free. The special drip-resistant cover handles steam effortlessly, while the roomy surface makes shirts, trousers, and dresses a breeze to iron. Tired of spills ruining your day? This silicone bottle topper turns almost any drink into a nearly spill-proof sippy cup. It fits standard bottles and even works with straws, letting you drink without making a mess. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for bags, purses, or pockets when you're on the go. Made from soft, food-safe silicone, it's gentle for toddlers but handy for adults too. Easy to clean and reusable, it keeps hydration simple and stress-free. Cluttered entryways are a thing of the past. This slim shoe cabinet stores multiple pairs in 3 flip drawers while taking up very little space. Flip open a drawer to grab your shoes and close it to hide them instantly, keeping your entryway neat. Made of durable, rust-resistant metal, it stands up to daily use without sagging or tipping. Easy to assemble and wall-mountable for safety, it's a stylish and practical storage solution for any home. Scrubbing your own back just got effortless. This wall-mounted electric back scrubber spins automatically, reaching every hard-to-clean spot without stretching or straining. Ultra-fine bristles and 3 replaceable heads exfoliate and cleanse deeply, leaving skin smooth and refreshed. Adjustable height and a large rotating head cover more area quickly, while hands-free operation keeps showering simple. Waterproof, rechargeable, and easy to install. It's perfect for anyone wanting a spa-like shower at home. Pet hair has a way of showing up right when you're heading out. This reusable lint roller grabs fur, crumbs, and fuzz with a super sticky surface that doesn't need refills. When it gets dirty, you just rinse it with water and let it dry to bring the grip back. Its compact size makes it easy to toss in your bag, car, or pocket for quick cleanups. You get clean clothes anytime without wasting disposable sheets. Tea time feels better when the leaves stay where they belong. This loose-leaf tea infuser lets your tea fully steep while keeping tiny bits out of your cup. The extra fine mesh allows rich flavor to flow through without floating leaves ruining the sip. A soft handle makes it easy to drop in, remove, and clean after use. You just rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher and enjoy smooth tea every time. Greasy fingers and gaming don't mix very well. These gamer finger chopsticks let you snack without ever touching your controller or keyboard. You slip them on, grab chips or candy, and keep your hands clean mid-match. They're lightweight, comfortable, and easy to use even during long sessions. It's a simple way to eat, play, and stay focused without missing a beat. Smudged screens can ruin the look of even the best devices. This 2-in-1 mist cleaner sprays a fine cleaning solution and wipes it away with a built-in microfiber cloth. You just press, swipe, and watch fingerprints disappear in seconds. The soft cloth is gentle, so your screens stay scratch-free while looking brand new. It works on phones, tablets, laptops, and more, making clean screens effortless anywhere you go. Twisting stubborn jar lids shouldn't feel like a workout. This automatic jar opener clamps onto the lid and does all the work for you with one button press. A powerful motor provides strong torque, which means even tight, sealed jars pop open without gripping or twisting. You just place it on top, press the button, and watch it spin the lid off hands-free. It's compact, easy to store, and perfect for anyone who wants pain-free kitchen independence. Messy appliance cords can make even a clean kitchen feel chaotic. These stick-on cord organizers wrap cables neatly around your appliances in seconds. The soft, flexible material bends to fit flat or curved surfaces without slipping. A strong adhesive keeps everything secure, yet removes cleanly when you need to reposition it. Once cords are tucked away, your counters look cleaner, and cooking feels instantly more organized. Your phone never seems to have a home when it's charging. This wall-mounted holder sticks right next to an outlet and keeps your phone safely in place. Strong adhesive means no drilling, no tools, and no wobbling. You can also drop in remotes, makeup brushes, or small daily items to keep surfaces clear. Handy side hooks hold cables and keys, so everything you need stays right where you can reach it. Foggy mirrors ruin the moment, but this one stays crystal clear. This LED wall mirror lights your face from the front and the back, so you see every detail while shaving or getting ready. You can switch between warm, neutral, or bright white light and smoothly dim it to whatever feels comfortable. The built-in anti-fog heater clears steam automatically, so you're never wiping the glass mid-shower. Strong tempered glass makes it safer to use, and it remembers your last settings every time you turn it on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.